My son loading the mill, putting some logs by the mill, actually. He's gonna lift it up. Sure that hell makes loading the mill a lot easier with the excavator. Look at that. It's got a nice little chain on it. Drag it over, slide it in front of the mill. We got a cut over here. We got a bunch of stuff. Just everything's all overgrown. I hurt my back, so I haven't been able to do a lot of stuff. So my son's just using the excavator slowly. I'm working slowly. Look at him. This is the first time he's ever actually used the excavator to do anything. Drop it down. I'll move the chain back over here. I'm going to move the chain for him. Well, that doesn't want to move. He got stuck. Of course it did. There we go. There. It's raining. Like I said, I got a bad back, so just trying to do everything slowly. It's hard to do, one hand. There. So he does. Let me get out of the way. It's okay. There it goes, slides right into place. Good job. Good job. It's close to the mill where we wanted it. Let me go disconnect this chain. We'll get that one over there. We're going to put close to the mill, put right next to it. I just disconnect this, pull it out of the way. Okay, swing it over. Like I said, this is the first time he's actually ever used the excavator. He's a math guy. He knows everything. He studies everything, analyzes everything. I get out of the way until he's done. Good enough. And I just go around the other side and reach under the log because it's up on a sticker. And that's what we do. All right, I gotta go. Bye.